What is the difference between cloning and sharding in system design? Cloning means creating identical copies of data and storing them on different machines. But why should we create exact same copies of data? When you have same copies of data stored on a multiple server, it helps us to handle millions of requests efficiently. For example, when we receive millions of requests to read the data, we can split the request and redirect them to different servers, which provides us with the quicker response. Another reason is to back up the data. If server fails for some reason, then data will be safe on another server. On other hand, sharding means dividing large amount of data into smaller chunks and storing them into different machines. Sometimes data is too big to store on a single server, so we need to logically divide this big data into smaller parts and then store it into different machines. Let's take YouTube as an example. YouTube contains millions of videos, which isn't possible to store on a single server. So we divide this large dataset into smaller parts. For example, data related to Indian videos may be stored on servers in India, while data related to US videos is stored on servers on US. These smaller parts of data are called as shards, which makes system more scalable for handling large amount of data. Sharding also makes system faster because each server only holds smaller portion of data, which allows it to respond quickly. That's it for today's video. Let me know in comment section if you want me to create more videos on system design. Follow my channel for more such videos.